Have you got a car battery store and you're looking for a professional, affordable website for your business? Keep watching this video today because I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the Mighty Sites platform. Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small business, people's side hustles, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, search for my market, car battery store. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our car battery store so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is actually located, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change that type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in a couple of seconds with the information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, if you've got your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding, be a web professional of any sorts, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. Even if you're not that tech savvy, you can literally do this all yourself. So I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and put in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that email address is visible. So I'm going to go ahead and click on show email on site to display my email address on my website. Awesome. Let's put in our phone number. That is click to call, by the way. So very convenient for your customers. Now, your address, your physical location. Great thing about the address, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, will automatically take them to Google Maps for directions. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom. You can put in your links for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Yelp, TikTok, etc. So customers can easily find you and follow you on social media. Under update logo, I'm going to go ahead and update my logo. If you don't have one yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. Once the logo has been uploaded, you can actually click on the pencil, make slight amendments to the logo, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames. But if you're happy with it, click on save. On the right, here's where you can make it bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now, if you'd like to centralize that logo, maybe move it over here to the middle, you can click on update design and layout options. You can also change the color for each section. Perhaps you want a specific color only for this section. If you'd like to change the general colors of the entire website that we pre-selected for you, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available. There's so many to choose from. So just pick which one's best that suits your branding and your message. Awesome. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. Over here is where you can browse your device, search the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Otherwise, you can now connect your Instagram accounts as well. Pull in all your Instagram images from your profile instead of uploading one individually. You can literally connect your Instagram with a click of a button and select through those images you have uploaded over there. Under update action, you can change the button text where that button links to various places, even upload a PDF file with more information on your business, maybe your rates, prices, catalogs. And update content is where you can change that content that was pre-written for your business. Now, in the last section is where you can put in your trading hours for your car battery store. Click on update section, head on over to update hours, pop them in over here, and they will be displayed in this last section for your customers' convenience. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Set it up by clicking on this button. Otherwise, if you'd like to purchase a new domain, make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, go ahead and click on that green button. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.